Are you looking to start a Christmas light business to make money in the wintertime? Are you trying to figure out how to make money in the wintertime? How can I make money in the wintertime so that my service business of pressure washing, landscaping, pest control, home inspectors I know do this. All different types of people can do this. And this is called Christmas lights, a Christmas light installation business. With that, you can start your Christmas light business um, this year. And what I will do is I have a training coming up August 23rd and 24th. It's in Cincinnati. It's actually not in Cincinnati. It's at the Greater Northern Kentucky Cincinnati Airport Marriott, which is in Kentucky, but not in Cincinnati. And I will show you how to install Christmas lights. I will not only show you how to install Christmas lights, you will install Christmas lights. And when I say that you will install Christmas lights, I'm going to teach you how to do that. We do this on real houses. It's not on some training prop. We actually go to two different houses and we're going to put up, the student is actually going to put up the Christmas lights. When I first learned, and I went and paid $5,000 for my training back in the day, I watched people put up Christmas lights. And when I came back, I'm like, how'd they do that again? I know that you just do it, but man, they made that look a lot easier than, how do you do that again? So you're going back and you're like, I think it's this way. And then you're having to call them to say, hey, I don't remember what you did there. So with this training, you will actually do two different houses. They are real houses. They have pitched roofs. They have gutters, the whole 9 yards. And so that way you will learn how to do Christmas lights. With this training, we teach you how to hang Christmas lights in trees that you actually install. You will learn how to put them up on houses. You will learn how to hang wreaths where you actually use a hammer drill and hammer drill something and for your anchors. So this is everything for your Christmas light business training. Also in this training, it's not just all hands-on. We do go over where to get the cheapest, the best quality and cheapest but good quality light bulbs, minis, the whole 9 yards. It's cheaper than any other industry out there. So it is the cheapest price. The best price is through my distributor, and I will actually give you his name, the whole 9 yards, where you can actually buy the lights and be at a very good discount. That is a U.S. distributor, and it's not coming from China. So, with all that being said, my class is August the 23rd and 24th. It's at the Greater Cincinnati Airport. If you stay there at the Marriott, it's $99 a night. If you stay there, I will personally make sure you get breakfast. There will be breakfast coupons for you, and we will do lunch at the Marriott. We go over pricing. I go over how to bid stuff, how to quote stuff, how to get jobs, the whole 9 yards. Everything you need to be to have a successful Christmas light business. I don't want you to fail. Everybody that I've trained so far has been very successful, and I want you to be successful too. I'll see you at my next Christmas light training.